Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2006 Toyota 2TR-FE engine, Toyota Tacoma. Right here doing the valve cover gasket, the gasket set. So we'll start taking stuff apart. A lot of 10 millimeters. You can probably squeeze this from below to pull it out. I'll use my screwdriver and pull down a couple little tabs in here. That also worked. There's a wiring harness on the backside. We're going to loosen that and get that off the assembly as well. A little hose down here and electrical connector. You're just pushing on the tabs to release. $10mm bolts up the gut to take the ignition coils out, and you can flip them off to the side. 10mm bolts for the valve cover, 10mm bolts around the edge. And we'll see about setting these harnesses free. Push this and release this tab. So there's a 12mm bolt back here, probably holding this pipe on. That goes to this hose. So you know, loosen up or take that bolt off back there. Set that free. At least loosen it. We'll see about getting this harness set free here. A little snug. Alright, so I've got this wiring harness probably out of the way enough to be able to slide this out and zip out our 10mm bolts along the side here. And there's two in the back. There's one right there, and then one back here. All the center bolts are out. Use a little screwdriver to push off the PCV valve hose back here. You got that 12mm bolt loosened up so that pipe can wobble back there, and it gives you access to that center 10mm bolt, and we will lift this up and out. I'll try and show you how these come together, come apart when it's out. One nut. One more nut in the back. So the stud in the back is giving me a little trouble with lifting it up. Just very tight here with the harness. Otherwise you can disconnect the battery here, 10mm bolt, disconnect the battery negative. Then you come over here and disconnect the ground wire, 10mm. Battery is probably a 12mm connector here. And undo this connector here on the alternator. Pull this whole harness over and out of the way. Might give you just the extra slack you need to get this out. I'm going to fight with it a little bit here. There it is. Wipe this all down clean. Maybe a couple spots for silicone where the cylinder head meets the front timing cover, so clean this old silicone off. We can put a little dab of new stuff on there. Just wipe it all down. And we'll see about, wipe this area down here, cylinder head, spark plug holes, and we'll see about getting the new gasket on. So you'll dig those all out and clean everything up, wipe things down, get ready for reinstallation. So with these, you can either flip this little tang out. There's a tang here, you can flip it out and see how it connects. And pull this tang out, it'll release. Or stick a screwdriver down in here and go outward with it. Kind of same with these, they get a little tang, locks it in place. We'll put a bead of silicone, which, like we talked about, on a little separation spot here between the head and the timing cover.
Cats were 80,000 miles. We kept ignoring it, so.
Oh. Alright, so we have it on. We'll drop our nuts and bolts into place and torque them down. And I'll tell you how that's done and what the torque is. Alright, they want you to tighten all the bolts in the middle first to 80 inch-pounds, then the outside bolts to 80 inch-pounds, and the inside bolts again to 80 inch-pounds. Probably start kind of in the middle and work my way out for both of them. That's what I would do. So tighten those down to 80 inch-pounds. I think that's everything you're going to need to know for your valve cover gasket on your Toyota Tacoma. Put it back together. Reverse procedure to install. 80 inch-pounds. Also for the coil. Probably all the 10mm bolts are going to be 80 inch-pounds. If there's anything else, it'll be following this now.